Hello friends, welcome to your channel Stock Dr. RR. So in last video we talked about Nasdaq, Dow Jones, S&P 500 and gold. So in this video we are going to talk about some of the stocks. The list is as here. So let's don't waste the time and start doing analysis. And the best part is we are doing analysis in the live market. So this will definitely help you all to understand the thought process. So if we see the Apple here, uh, let me remove some of the stuff here. So right now, if you can see, just a moment, Apple has this trend line. This is the long-term trend line, and this is the resistance trend line for the Apple. And currently, you can see the Apple has a very good long-term horizontal support at 118, and the trend line support is coming near 121 122 levels. So at this point of time, the Apple is trading in this channel, right? The channel bottom is somewhere here and the horizontal bottom is at 118. So I will wait until it comes toward 120 118 levels, and that would be the right time to make entry in Apple. The next stock is Adobe. For the Adobe, if you see here, uh, Adobe has this trend line resistance, and this is the trend line support, right? And the Adobe has horizontal support at 470. So few days back, it gave us the opportunity to buy at that level, and right now it is between the support and resistance. The resistance is at $500 and the support is at 470 levels. So right now it is middle of these uh, support and resistance. So I would not be buyer at this point of time, but if it comes near the support, then I will see the uh, market direction that time and I will buy there. So the next stock we are going to talk is ARKK. Just a moment. For the ARKK, you can see here, it has broken the long-term support trend line few days back. This was the long-term support trend line. It got broke. And now we can see the horizontal support at $99 and the second horizontal support at $91. So if somebody, I don't know the fundamental of this stock, but somebody wanted me to analyze that. So I analyzed it and it looks like it is at support of 99 and near the support range, and it has the resistance of 109. But at this point of time, I am not seeing any good price action here. So I will not recommend a buy. But if somebody is already having the position in this stock, definitely they should hold with the stop loss of 99 on closing basis. If somebody is an investor, then definitely he should keep a stop loss of 90 on closing basis. And if you can see, RSI is oversold here. Uh, so technically it can give a bounce towards $110. And if it stays above that, then definitely it can go towards 180 plus 118 plus. So next stock is Baidu. So for Baidu, you can see here, it had the head and shoulder pattern, and it broke that head and shoulder pattern, and now it is going down, because as we all know, when head and shoulder pattern after completion, if it breaks, then whatever is the size of the head, it is going to create towards the bottom. So if you can see here, uh, it has a good support at 170, and it has a earning on 18th May. So it's a kind of earning bait. So if you see here, yesterday, uh, sorry, on Friday, uh, it closed in the green, but you can see uh, before Friday, or you can see on 10th and 11th, it created the bullish engulfing pattern here, right? And from there, it is trying to go up. So I can say that this stock has very good support at 176. If somebody wants to trade for the earning, then definitely keep a stop loss at 176 on the closing basis, and one can take a trade. The target will be, the first target will be 203, and the second will be 212. And the important thing that RSI here, RSI was oversold, and now it's trying to pick up. So one can uh, keep in mind that the stop loss should be 176 on the closing basis. The next stock is Disney. So for the Disney, you can see here, Disney has, uh, this is the trend line resistance for the Disney, and Disney is continuously falling from the top, right? And uh, it had the earning, it gave the good earning result, but uh, stock didn't perform. So it currently it is having the support at 168, and I'm not giving any buy recommendation at this point of time because the price action is not showing any strength. But yes, definitely, if the stock gives U-turn from here with a good price action, and if RSI picks up and the volume give the good indication, then definitely we can think of buying this stock. But we need to wait unless we get the clear direction. The next stock is DKNG. So just a moment. I want to delete this one. So for the DKNG, if you can see here, uh, DKNG gave its earning, and then before earning, uh, 7th May, it had the earning, and then uh, on the earning day itself, it went for 6% down, and then 6%. And right now it is trying to create a base here. Okay, this is around 40 to 41.50. It is trying to create a base here, and it is trying to go towards its first resistance of 47.50, and then 50 levels. RSI was oversold, and it is trying to pick up. So this should give a technical bounce towards 47.50. The next stock is FUBO. FUBO had the long-term resistance here. Okay, from 27 Jan, it continuously fell down, and here it gave a nice green candle on 11th May. But the next day it gave a red candle of red candle. It opened with a huge gap up, but then also went down with the good red volume because it had the earning, and now it is trying to pick up. So uh, for me, FUBO will be the best buy if it starts trading about 22.50 zone for the first target of 26 and the next target of 30. So I will wait unless and until it doesn't cross 22.50. I will wait. But yes, the RSI was exhausted and it is trying to pick up from here. So definitely there will be a good trade if it starts trading about 22.50-60 zone. The next stock is Microsoft. You can see here the Microsoft was trading in this zone, and then it gave a breakout. But after the breakout, it went up. Uh, it went up, right? And then it started falling down. So at this point of time, it has it has a support at 245 levels, okay, and it has a resistance at 252. So right now for me it's a no trade in the Microsoft, but yes, these are the support levels. 245 is the support and 252 is the next resistance. And if it starts closing below 244, then definitely it should go toward the next support of 240 levels. Okay, so the next stock is Neo. Neo is continuously going down, and right now it is in this channel. So if you see here, the RSI is in the oversold zone. So it can give a technical bounce once it start trading above 34.5, then it can go towards 36.5 and 39. And the stop loss would be near $31. So this is the basically from the technical bounce perspective. The next stock is an Nnox. Nnox is at its IPO price, which is around $21, and this is Nnox long-term support, you can say. And I think it should give a technical bounce from here. Okay, and the first target should be around first target should be around 23.5, and then 26 levels should be its target. So keep in the mind that it is trading near IPO price. So definitely the support would be $19 on the closing basis, and RSI is extremely oversold. So it should give a technical bounce from here. But the disclaimer that I am not going to trade in stock. The next stock is Nvidia. So for the Nvidia, if you can see here, this is the trend line support, and this is the trend line resistance for the Nvidia, and this is the horizontal support for the Nvidia, and it has earning coming on 26th of May. So if I get it towards 149 to 145 levels in this zone, then I think that it should be a good buy level for the target of I would say around 168 and 188. And now, so guys, remember all these picks we are talking about, we are talking about technical aspects and technical bounce. So definitely this all will be a swing trades, not you can say long term trades, right? These all are swing trades. Now PayPal, I can see here the uh, trend line support is in this zone, right? And I can see its horizontal support here, around here, 225, right? So uh, or you can say here, so it has the horizontal support between 233 to 225, and trend line support is lying here. So for me, if I would be buying the PayPal, then definitely it should be around between 233 to 225, and uh, the target would be 254 and 259. So at this point of time, the price action is saying that there should not be any trade. But yes, if it comes towards the zone of 233 and 225, there can be a buying opportunity in the PayPal. The next stock is SE. So for the SE, if you can see here, okay, I think for the SE, the trend line was missed. Yeah. So for the SE, if you can see, it has a very good support at $202 level. If it comes toward this zone, then definitely it is a good buy. And it has earning on 17th May. So yes, if it has the earning today, then definitely if somebody wants to play for the earnings, then one can take a position right now also, keeping the stop loss of 202 on the closing basis for the first target of 238. And if it stays and sustains above 238, then it might go towards 252. The next stock is Snap. So for the Snap, you can see the long-term trend line support is in this zone, around uh, 48 to 58, 48 to 52 is a good support zone formed for the Snap. And resistance, I can see it's towards 56.5 and then $65. Right now, I cannot see a good price action here uh, to buy, but definitely if it comes toward 48, uh, there it can give a if it gives a good price action, then definitely I would be buyer here. The next stock is Snow. So for the Snow, if you can see here, it has given a very good technical bounce on Friday. uh, I think the Snow is at its 52-week low. It break its IPO price as well, it looks like. And currently it is trading at 186. Sorry, it created the low of 183, and I think some of the brokerage house given the buy rating of on the Snow for the target of 275. But as I always say that we need to do our own analysis before taking any position. uh, so here for the Snow, I can see here, uh, just a moment. So Snow has its earning on 26th of May, and uh, currently Snow has the resistance at 215 levels. If it closes, if it trade above 215 and closes significantly above that, so it is going to break the trend line resistance, then it can show us the target of 241 and 265. So definitely a Snow can be a buy if it starts trading above 200 and you can say if it trades above this resistance trend line with a good volume and sustaining above that, then definitely it can go towards 241 and 265. And you can see the RSI was exhausted, uh, oversold, and now it's trying to come up. The next stock is SOXL. So for the SOXL, I can see that SOXL had a very good support at $28 and it bounced back nicely from that. And it tried to touch the next resistance of $32 and it is trading in this channel now. So right now, I will not recommend to buy this stock. Either it should be buy above 32.5 or once it comes toward 28 for this at that support, then we should buy this stock. The next stock is Splunk. uh, Splunk I gave buy a few days back, and I gave a buy based on this bullish engulfing pattern which was formed, and RSI was also exhausted, and I thought that the stock is going to give a technical bounce. So I'm still holding this position, and I am keeping the stop loss of 110 on the closing basis. Means this green candle's low, and I would be playing for the target of at least 113. I will not recommend anyone to buy right now at this point of time. Whoever having this position, they should hold with the stop loss of 110. The next stock is Square. For Square, if you can see here, Square has broke its trend line resistance here, and the Square has this support area 191 to 109, 191 to 200 is it is having this support area, and it is the RSI is oversold. So at this point of time, it has not created any price action which says that one should buy this stock, but definitely as this is trading in this support zone, uh, if somebody is an investor for in the Square, then definitely this is the right zone to buy. And if somebody wants to do a trading in this stock, then definitely he needs to wait for the price action which says that the stock is taken a U-turn and stock is trading with the good volume as well as a good price action. So definitely for the investor, this is the one of the stock which can be accumulated at this level. And if it comes down more, then I will be giving the second accumulation zone. The next stock is SWSK. So for this stock, I have not done the analysis. So we will skip this stock and we will go toward the next favorite stock, Tesla. So for the Tesla, you can see Tesla has broken its long-term trend line support. This is the long-term trend line support here around 660 levels. This big red candle broke its long-term trend line support. Now the Tesla has the horizontal support around 540. So, and the short-term trend line support it has near 560. So Tesla can be a buy if it comes between 530 to 560 zone. 540 to 560 is the good zone for the Tesla to buy for the technical bounce of 600 and 625. And keep in the mind that the RSI is oversold for Tesla, and Tesla, as we all know, it's a highly volatile stock. Then it can give a technical bounce from these levels. The next stock is Zoom. If you all remember Zoom, I gave a buy a few days back at 301. The reason for giving the buy on the Zoom is the same. It had created a bullish engulfing pattern here, and I gave buy at around $300. And that time the RSI was oversold, and it was trying to pick up from there. So currently, we are sitting on a profit of 3%, but the best place to book the profit here is at 314 levels, and I think today it tried to go towards that level. 312 it made high, so definitely I would be looking to book some profit near 313 314 levels, and if it stays above that level, then definitely uh, I would keep some positions and try to book at 330. So this is all about it, guys. So I just want to make sure that tell you guys that this analysis which we did, this is purely based on price action, support resistance, trend line, volume, and RSI. These five factors we take into the consideration and we do the analysis, and based on that we take the trade. So I hope this video helped you guys to understand the stock movement based on the these various tools. And please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends so they can benefit from it, and let's earn some money together. Thank you all.